Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. Welcome if you're new. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every week and I want you to be here with me every single week. So if you haven't, make sure to subscribe. But today I have a super fun video because I'm basically going to do that recreating Pinterest outfits trend, but trying it with makeup. So I see a ton of people, this is nothing new. I've seen a ton of people that I follow do these types of videos where they go on Pinterest, they look at their saved outfits and they recreate them. I want to do the same with makeup basically. So today I'm gonna browse my Pinterest boards for makeup looks, eye looks, whatever, anything I have saved, and I'm going to try to recreate one of them. I want to get colorful, I want to challenge myself, so if you guys want to follow along or if you want to see how I do, maybe I'll succeed, maybe I'll fail epically, then please make sure to keep watching because we're about to get started. Come with me. Okay, so I'm here in my Pinterest. I'm in my eye looks board. My Pinterest is private, like most of my pins and my boards are private because Pinterest is a place where I just go when I need peace of mind, when I need inspiration. I separate it from all their social medias. I don't even consider this to be like a social media platform. It's very low key, it's personal. I'm gonna leave the handle or the link, whatever, down below if you guys want to follow me though. But just so you know, most of my things are pretty private, including this board, which holds all my eye look inspiration. So let's just go through it, shall we? Again, I've been seeing this a lot. This, I love this. Honestly, I'm really digging it. Like the color, just colorful burst in different places of the eye. I love that. It might be a little, I don't know if it's like challenging or not because it's something I've never done before, but it doesn't look that hard. But I also love things like this. I have it saved twice, which is just like a pop of color on the inner corner, super like smoked out, and then just a little bit here. I think it's kind of editorial, but kind of wearable, and I think it would be super cool. A new cool girl way to wear pastel eyeshadow. Okay. You know what I mean? Like just super cool things like that. Or there's, this is kind of like the vibe I'm going for. Super colorful. I like this one. It's a lot. I think this one would be a lot harder because it looks kind of like a cut crease. She looks gorgeous though, but it's a little much. It's a little too editorial for me. But yeah, I definitely have a lot of color here. I even have myself. Wow, that's kind of embarrassing. But anyways, there's a lot of color here, but I think I'm gonna go for the first one. This one right here. I have my base makeup and my eyebrows already done because I knew I wanted it to be more like an eye, cheek, lip kind of thing. I didn't want to focus on the base or the brows. And this one looks kind of challenging, but also kind of doable for me. So it's like right in that sweet spot where I'm like doing something I've never done before, but I'm not setting myself up for failure, basically. So let's make this face look a little more alive. Let's get to do some makeup. So I'm priming with my Urban Decay Shadow Primer Potion. You guys know I'm just gonna do a little bit. Oh. To be completely honest with you, I don't even know where to start with this. I'm looking at it on my phone, and I'm gonna kind of mimic a little bit of the shape of this, like the placement. The colors are gonna be slightly different though. What I'm gonna do is, because I can see that she has like in the center, it's very potent and then it like blends out. I think I'm gonna be using like my Suva Beauty Taffies, UV Taffies, because these are like the colors that I want to use, but I'm also using this super old Kiko Milano palette, which has some of the colors to just go over the top and blend that. I think that's gonna be the best course of action for me. I think I'm gonna do all of them except green. I know, shocker, I'm not gonna be doing green, but I'm gonna be using all these colors except green, and then like the matching colors here. Wish me luck. I have my little cup of water here because the Suva Beauty liners are water activated, and I'm gonna try to use different size brushes for the thing because these are all differently sized. So let me first, I don't even know where to start. I'm very overwhelmed. Shall we start with the purple? I think we'll start with the purple, and I'm just gonna start placing it in the inner corner and then like the outer corner. I'm just gonna wet my brush a little bit and then go into the purple. I'm not gonna wet my brush like a lot. I want it to be only slightly wet so that it gives me the effect that I'm looking for, but let's attempt to do this on the outer corner. And it's obviously like a little winged out. The beauty of this is that it doesn't even have to be like super even, you know what I mean? Like it can be kind of weird. Now we're doing inner corner. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna attempt to go in with the purple in the palette, the Kiko palette. With this purple, it's not exactly the same shade, it's a lot darker, but I just want to use it to like diffuse and blend. I'm gonna try this out. I'm really scared. I'm really scared, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. And again, I'm just gonna be like stamping. But that's kind of gonna help the blend, I think. Oh my god, yeah, it's doing what I wanted it to. I'm excited about that. Now for the inner corner. Okay, so it's actually doing what I wanted it to do, which is looking slightly lighter in the center and kind of diffusing. I went a little overboard with the inner corner, not gonna lie, but that's fine. Okay, now let's go to the yellow. Yeah, yellow. This yellow is very neon, and I don't love it, so I'm just gonna use like a tiny bit of this and mainly rely on the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna do it like, keep my eye open. I'm gonna do it like here. Okay, my lid is fucking it up, but that's fine. We're just gonna wait until it dries. And then do the same here. This looks really bad right now, not gonna lie. It transferred onto my eyelid, which I'm not thrilled about. Oh no, this is a disaster. Now that this is dry, I'm gonna go into the yellow here and just blend on top of that. Hopefully nothing bad happens. Okay, we're fucked. This is not blending. Well, well, well. This is not working out as I wanted it to. So stressed right now. Oh my fucking god. Not gonna lie, I feel like this is as good as the yellow's gonna get. It looks really bad. Like, really bad right now. But, it is what it is. So, let's move on. I'm gonna do the pink now. And I'm gonna go, again, very lightly with the eyeliner. And then this one will go more like here. I'm just making up my own placement, to be completely honest with you at this point. I'm just doing my thing. Okay, now let's blend out the pink. Okay, the pink isn't looking so bad. Are these even circles? No, they're not. I feel like a clown currently. Oh my freaking gosh. Whatever, we're here. This is the current situation right now. I'm kind of upset, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna do the blue now. I'm just gonna finish it up. Oh wait, before I do that, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the pink and kind of take it down here slightly, just a little. To like tie in the look, maybe? Fun. Let's do some blue, like here, right? Let's blend out the other blue on top, just slightly. Okay, the blue is actually behaving. I love the blue. Let's do a little bit of blue here. Does this look somewhat like the reference pic? Somewhat, I will say, yeah, a little, but it's not great. Let's just continue. She has a little bit of black here and here. I'm not gonna do that, that's not my vibe, but I will tightline with some black eyeliner. I'm using the Make It Forever Artist Color Pencil in whatever black. And just making sure to like ground the upper lid. And now our saving grace mascara, I'm using the Maybelline, the Colossal Curl Bounce, because she has very wispy lashes. Obviously, most of the focus is on the colors on the eyes, so it's a very natural, very minimal mascara. Mascara definitely made them look a little better. Do I love the look? I don't really. But let's wait to see everything on and maybe I'll change my mind. Okay, let's just move on. Okay, so for cheeks, she just seems to have, obviously we don't get a full shot of the face, but she just seems to have like blush everywhere and faux freckles. I'm not gonna do blush everywhere because I feel like this is already so much. So I'm gonna do like regular cheeks, soft cheeks, and I'm gonna start with a little bit of contour because we need a little definition here, okay? I'm using the Fenty Beauty Butter Biscuit Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer, and I'm just gonna go everywhere with this. For blush, I'm going peachy. I'm using the Flower Pots Powder Blush in Peach Primrose. I love this one so much. I'm just gonna go apples and back. I'm not gonna do the whole, no. And then I'll just add a few faux freckles with my Frick XL. I'm not gonna go as overboard. While I love that look, and you guys know I'm obsessed with it. Again, I feel like the eyes are just a lot. So I'm gonna highlight mine and then just add a few extra ones. So I did go a little bit overboard with the freckles, but I kind of try to keep them in like the same areas so that they look sort of cohesive. I don't know. I'm still mastering faux freckles, but anyways, that is it for the face. Let's move on quickly to the lips. From what I see, she doesn't really have any lip product. Her lips are just slightly juicy, so I'm just gonna line my lips and add clear gloss. For my liner, I'm using my Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao because, as always, we really want to look like we have more lips than we do. Beautiful. And then for my lip gloss, I'm using the Tower 28 Shine On Lip Jelly in Chill. Just the best, okay? Let's go in. I love this so much. Now, all that's left to do is set using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I always have such a hard time saying that. Once we've set, that's the look. Let me pull you in up close and we can see this disaster in more detail. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it now. With the whole face, the whole makeup done, it's kind of editorial, it's kind of cool. I kind of like it now. Is that weird? I don't know. I don't think I did a great job, but like the beauty of this look is that it's meant to look kind of messy. At least that's how I'm justifying it, but I think I like it a lot, honestly. Oh boy, what's going on with me? I used to hate this 5 minutes ago, but now I'm like, yes, this is everything to me. Did I do as well as the girl who did this? I don't think so. I mean, as you can see, it's not the same. It's not the same. The colors are slightly different. The placement is different. It doesn't look as clean as hers. Okay, you guys, now that my hand looks like this and I have so many brushes I have to clean, this look is complete. It really turned around. I really thought I was gonna hate it, but now I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, ooh, yeah, girl, you did something. I don't know if I'm gonna like it as I edit this or as I upload it, but yeah. This was my first Pinterest recreation. I don't think I did great. I think I did my best, and we're gonna leave it at that, okay? What do you guys think? Do you think I kind of hit it, or do you think I was like completely off? Let me know down below. Also, let me know if you want me to do more of these like recreating Pinterest looks, because I can do something also more classic, challenge myself in different ways that aren't necessarily this editorial, so let me know if that's something you guys would like to see. Challenging myself when it comes to makeup was one of my goals this year, so I don't become stagnant. So this is definitely a step in the right direction, even though it's not the best I've done. I had fun. I experimented, played with some new color combos and like product combos, and this is the result. If you guys enjoyed today's video, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, lets me know you guys are vibing with the content. And if you're into I had to burp, sorry, but if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content like today's video, then please make sure to subscribe. I post videos every single week. I'd love to have you here. You guys know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I hope I entertained you, and I hope that I'll see you right here next week. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.